Okay, so we have an again because what's her name again? Lulu. She has claustrophobia, but it's not really a claustrophobia. In the book, they call it like arachnophobia. I don't know how to pronounce it.
But yeah, it's kind of weird that they called it that because it said that it was the fear of looking down, but that's not correct because in the back of the book it said that she's scared of confined spaces. So this is again and again because they keep talking about how she's scared of confined spaces.
So yeah, this is again, and I think this is gonna like affect her part of the story because it's like in parts, and I think it's gonna affect her part of the story because she is kind of like she can't go to the bathroom, she can't go in elevators, she can't go in a classroom. Like, your classroom is pretty small. Once there's like a bunch of people in here too.
Yeah, so that
seems kind of small.
That's definitely good. I also think it's going to affect her because since she's so scared of confined spaces, this is going to get her into the school of fear. So that's going to get her into it. So that's definitely going to affect her school.
Yeah, so I think that I don't know if they made a mistake because it might just be like another way of saying it, like not claustrophobia, but like it might just be like another like verb thing. So is that it? Okay.
So that's our again and again for Lulu.